Could you give us a little bit of insight to perhaps how this experience of studying with the Rooted in Sound Academy over this past year has changed you, and perhaps how it's informed your practice?
Yeah, there's a whole world of sound that I didn't know existed. So it really changed my ego. It's changed my practice in understanding a lot more about people, experiences, trauma, how to honor people, honor space for them, and how we can be a vehicle for whatever they want us to be a vehicle for.